Are you struggling to make your WordPress content look neat and professional? Today, I'm going to show you a simple way to align your text in WordPress so your posts and pages look exactly how you want. First, open the post or page where you want to adjust the text. Once it's open, click on the paragraph or heading block containing the text you want to align. When you select the block, a toolbar will appear, usually right above it. This toolbar gives you quick access to alignment options. Here's how it works. To align text to the left, just click the left alignment icon. To center your text, click the center icon. Want it on the right? Click the right alignment icon. There's even a justify option that spreads your text evenly between the margins, giving it a clean, polished look. You can usually find justify under the More Options menu, represented by 3 dots. Once you've picked your preferred alignment, don't forget to save your work. Hit update or publish, and your text will now look exactly the way you want it. With these simple steps, you can make your content look more organized, readable, and visually appealing without touching a single line of code. Try experimenting with different alignments to see what works best for your content and watch your WordPress pages come to life. That's it! Now you know how to quickly align text in WordPress and make every post look clean and professional.